Your customers live on social media, and your brand pack built on high level is here to help you meet them wherever they are. So imagine having all the platforms in one place ready to post, engage, and track results. Sounds pretty great, right? I'll show you exactly how to connect your social media accounts so you can start managing everything effortlessly.
All right, let's connect your social media accounts here to your marketing OS, which is important to help you have good visibility. So the social media, it's here in your marketing section, and actually the social planner is the default view. So easy to get to. Now you'll see there's a number of different platforms that you can connect to your marketing OS. So for any of these, you're just gonna click on it and it's gonna take you there and let you log in. I'm not gonna do that again. That's gonna be specific to your account, but you just, you give it permission to have access to those accounts. In the how to customize your social media video, in the customize section, I'll walk through more of how you schedule and do some of those things. But just as far as getting everything set up, this is where you can connect your social accounts. So this one was a quick one. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.